Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new bedroom. Yeah, I totally had to do a spin just for that. Yeah, I've just moved, well not just, I moved up to the Gold Coast about a month ago, which is kind of why my channel has had like zero activity in the past month. But I'm back, I'm hopefully gonna get back into it completely like last time. And yeah, so I'm here today and I'm doing a unboxing first impression video for you all. I was kindly sent this product by Premfit. I can't remember if it was from Instagram or YouTube, but if you're not following me on Instagram, totally should be. I'll just add like a little link here, self promo, why not? But yeah, basically I was sent this and they asked me if I wanted to try it out and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? And basically this product is just like a lazy version of working out, and I am so lazy, like super duper lazy. If I don't have to exercise or don't have to do something and there's an easier way to do it, totally putting my hands up for that. So let's unbox this box. Wow. Okay, so first thing, as you see, it is just like a little slidey mobobby thingy here. It has like a little bit of information on the back and then have another box inside that box. So I'm just going to open the second box and hopefully there's not a third box inside, which there isn't. There's just like a little instruction manual, I guess you'd say. And then if I take that off, I'm assuming this is a control. If it's not a control, it looks like a control and I'm just going to call it control. So we have a control, and then if I take out that other plastic, I have what I'm assuming is the main part that I put on my body. Like, I think what you do with this product is you put it on your abs and then it pulses or something. I'm not too sure. I haven't read up too much on it. One thing that you do probably need to know before you get this product is you need to have 2 AAA batteries, which I have right here, and they don't actually come with the item. So if you get it expecting that batteries come, batteries are not included, so you do need to pick these up. It's like no one really has AAA batteries in their home. It's usually AA, but you can pick them up from Kohl's, Woolworths or whatever for like $3. Like, it's really not a big hassle. I have absolutely no idea what to do with this product, so I'm going to be quickly reading these instructions first. I did get a email from the company about a week after it was delivered telling me that if I had like body jewelry on the area that I'm putting it on, to remove it first. I don't think that was on the website, like, or in the instructions, so it's good that they did actually let me know, because I do have like a belly button piercing and I kind of didn't want to be like short-circuiting anything or doing what could possibly have happened if I kept it in. So I'm just going to read the instructions quickly. Okay, so basically when I'm reading like I think the 3rd page of instructions, you'll find it yourself quite easily. I just need to put the batteries into the remote or the control and then attach it to the gel pads and then remove the backing sheet and then place it onto my body and then press on. So that seems quite simple. I don't think I can stuff that up, but there's always a chance. I've got my Energizer Eco Advanced batteries, and now I'm going to struggle opening the packet of this. Oh, okay. I just made a random hole. Not too important, as I'm not doing a review video of Energizer batteries. So, oh my goodness, like, what kind of packaging is this? I have 2 batteries and now I need to put them in the back of the control, I think they called it, or remote, whatever it is. Done. So now I need to get like the gel pads and then click it on, I'm assuming just with this. Oh, I've turned it on, turn it off. Just with these little button things here. Quite simple. And oh, I need to remove my belly button ring, so I'm going to do that. So now I just need to take this plastic off and then put it onto my stomach. This is so weird. Okay. Do you like how I'm wearing like workout clothes? Because I'm totally a workout person. I'm assuming this would go like that? I don't know. Okay, let's see what we can do. It looks like something out of Transformers. How amazing does that look? Yes, I am a robot. Okay, so now I just press like the on button, I guess. Okay, it's not doing anything. Okay, it's literally not doing anything, so I'm gonna read the instructions and see if I'm meant to be able to feel it, or I don't know. Okay, it says turn on button, press the program to choose your modes, press the off button, flex and enjoy. Do I have to flex my stomach? I can't feel anything. Oh, I can feel something. It's like a slight massage. Okay. Okay, so basically pressing the on plus like makes it more intense. So it's like doing, it feels weird. It's doing like little vibration, like, oh my gosh, like rolly thingies on my abs that I don't have, but I'm gonna have after this. And it's just like massaging and kind of like doing this kind of movement. It's weird. It feels weird. I don't know if you can see it here. If you stare at that, you might be able to see something. Not gonna lie, that feels like crazy super weird. I'm noticing it mostly on the top section rather than the bottom. But I don't know if that's like because it hasn't got the right program or program to do it. It feels so weird. I'm not used to. I'm gonna turn that down, I think. Yeah, definitely turning that down because it's getting like really intense now. Yeah, so it's doing like literally the best explanation I can give you of what it's doing is this at the moment. So it's like grabbing on to my abs area and just like shaking kind of, or like pulsing. That's probably the word. It's pulsing on them. And yeah, like I don't really know if I'm going to see a difference straight away. Like it does feel super duper weird. Like I'm not used to my stomach area having a sensation like that. So it's super weird. But the good thing is I haven't been electrocuted and I'm not dead. So that's always a bonus. I might try this for a few weeks and see if I get any results. Yeah, there's nothing else I can really say. I'll like link the company down below in the description bar if you guys are interested in looking at it yourself. I literally feel like this machine is like a cat purring on me, but like a really intense purr. It's like I'm purring from the inside. That's what I'm feeling right now. My 2 cents of adding in this is basically, don't think of using this as like a long-term solution to working out. Like you're still gonna have to work out per se. Like this is not going to give you like a bodybuilder body. I don't know what it's gonna do in like 2 weeks. It may have done some sort of change to my body, but I don't think it's gonna be like too dramatic. I think it'll be like a really subtle kind of difference that slowly works out. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I will be back shortly, and until next time, goodbye. Let's see how easy it is to take this off actually. I look like I've just had like my heart restarted. Oh. Yeah, that's so weird.